National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for Southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, Northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until noon Central Standard Time. At 11:35 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cypress, Oregon, 7 miles northwest of Jersey Village, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Willowbrook around 11:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Tomball and Hooks Airport around 11:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Spring around 11:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.